In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Santander UK mobile online banking password. If you've ever found yourself locked out of your online banking account, you'll know how stressful it can be. Fortunately, resetting your password is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Santander mobile banking app on your smartphone. Or if you prefer, you can visit the Santander website and navigate to the login page for internet banking. Having both options available means you can choose whichever method is most convenient for you. Once you've reached the login page, look for a link or button marked "Forgotten your password and memorable information" and go ahead and tap or click on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter some personal information to verify your identity. It's important here to have your user ID on hand, as well as your date of birth. In some cases, you might be presented with other secret information questions. Ensuring you have this information ready will help the process go smoothly. Next, you'll need to confirm your registered mobile phone number. This is crucial because Santander will send a one-time password or OTP to this number via text message. If you're unsure about which number is registered, check any recent communication from Santander or verify your details from previous correspondence. Once you've received your OTP, it's time to enter it in the app or on the website. This step is about confirming that it's really you trying to gain access to the account. After successfully verifying your identity with the OTP, you'll be prompted to create a new password or in some cases, update your login details or security details. When choosing a new password, make sure it's strong and secure yet memorable. A good practice is to include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Finally, with your new password set, you're ready to log back in to the TSB app or internet banking. Ensure that you enter your details correctly and follow any additional security steps that may be prompted. It's a good idea to test your new password to confirm everything is working as expected. Congratulations, you've just reset your Santander UK mobile online banking password. Remember, regularly updating your password and keeping your login credentials safe is crucial in maintaining the security of your online banking account. Thank you for watching and stay secure.